Hello, young ladies and boys and girls, whoever you are. I haven't been seeing you for so long. You may be grandparents by now, a lot of you. But this is Joni, and I am going to do a haul for you. And I have quite a few things. I have enough that I was going to do it all in one haul, and I decided, no, I better not. I better split this into 3 hauls, and wouldn't be as long because it would be a long haul if I did it the other way. But I went to the Old Time Pottery, and they had a lot of really nice things. And if you all will remember, last fall I did a canvas board. It was a stretch canvas, and I put one of these on it to hang up on my wall. And I saw the rug down there this time, so I bought that to go in my kitchen. I think I will for Christmas. I'm not going to leave it for fall. I think I'm going to use it for Christmas. I may change my mind, but I don't know. It will all just depend on what my mood is when I get there. But I got that, and then I bought some little napkins, and everything was on sale. That little rug there, it was hardly anything. I couldn't believe the prices that they were having. This doesn't have a price. Yes, it does. These were $5.99 for 4 of them, and I think they're real pretty. They will go with my table things that I'm using, my napkins and my placemats and my dishes. So I bought 4 of those, and then I saw this and I couldn't believe it. It was so pretty. It's the container that it has a light down inside it it's on a little metal thing, and it is like the mercury glass. And this was only, I believe it was $5.99. And I thought that was just beautiful. I loved it. So I thought I could do something with that. So I bought that. And then I saw these, and I thought, oh my goodness, I've got to have those because they are beautiful. I love them. And I can show you here in just a minute how they match the placemats that I have. They go with them exactly. And I didn't even realize that when I was buying them, but I just liked them so much that I thought they were beautiful. And they were $17.99, but they were 40 or 50% off. And they were in a section where everything was hilariously discounted. So I bought 2 of them. Here's the other one. And I think they're going to be really, really pretty for Christmas or in my fall tour if I ever get it put up. But I'm getting ready to do it. Now, the next thing that I got was I got 2 of these. And they're tall, 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 tall. Almost as tall as I am. That wouldn't be very tall, but I'm 5'2". But they come up to my waist at least. And I bought 2 of them, and they were on sale for $16.99. And I really found it hard to believe that they were that cheap. So I got 2 of them to put on either side of my fireplace for Christmas. And then I bought these bulbs. I think that they are beautiful. I love the deep, deep color of them, the red. And that will go with my tree just perfectly because it's almost, well, it's almost a cranberry red and a burgundy. And that's the colors that I have on my tree, some of them, along with silvers and things. And then I got some of the smaller ones to go with them. I don't know where I'm going to find room to put them, but I'll find some place to stick them. And I'm planning on having 3 trees this year. Good Lord's will. I have to always say that because things don't always work out like we want. And then I got this, oh, I didn't tell you how much these were. These, the large were $4.99. And the small ones were $3.99. And I think that's a really good buy for such pretty, pretty ornaments. Those were the prettiest ones I've seen for a while. And then I got one of these. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm probably going to put it on canvas, I would say, and maybe hang it in my dining room. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And it was $4.99. You can see up there in the corner. And it's the same on both sides. Usually you'll see one side is glitter or something, but this one is the same on both sides. So now that is, I think, everything that I got from the Pottery Barn. Pardon me. Boy, oh boy, I've been watching some of your all's videos. Old-time pottery. Pottery Barn would take that advertisement, wouldn't they? But it wasn't. It was old-time pottery. So that's all I'm going to do tonight, and I'm going to go ahead and then I'll show you probably tomorrow. I'll come back on and make another one tomorrow evening, and I have a Walmart, and I have a Big Lots, and a Dollar Tree. So I'll do one of those tomorrow night. And I just wanted to thank all of you who were praying for us while we were going through all of this stuff down here, this mess, because it was a mess, and it was a scary mess, and neither of us like it. So, Tanya nor I like it. But it's something that just comes along and you have to deal with it. So we dealt with it, and we got along really well and everything. But it's spooky, it's scary, and I told you all the first time I put my video up, I said, I run from hurricanes, and that's what I do. I run from hurricanes. I'm scared to death of them because I know the potential they have of what they can do to your house and everything, so I don't like them at all. But anyway, I just want to thank you all for remembering us in prayer, and because that means a lot. It means a big, big, big bunch. And so I will talk with you all tomorrow evening, the good Lord's will. And you guys take care, and remember, I love you and God loves you. Bye-bye.